Hello everyone and welcome to this short tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you book an individual workshop and how can you get a package. To start off, click on the orange button on the top of the screen that says Book an Individual Workshop. You will be redirected to a new window where you can decide which package to buy. You can choose among two packages. One is a 1-month package and another one is a 3-month package. For the sake of this video, we're going to use the 1-month package test. You can either click on it or simply click Add to Cart and we'll redirect you quickly to the cart. Proceed to checkout or enter a voucher or coupon if you have one. After you proceed to the checkout, you're going to have to enter your information. It is completely private and very important to us so we can contact you and know your location and your time zone. Okay, please continue. Click on accept the terms and conditions and proceed to PayPal and finish your payment. Please do not exit the window and patiently wait for the window to open. You will have to enter your password and login information. And you're securely transferred to PayPal itself. You can simply click on Pay Now, and you will have to either use PayPal or your credit card. You paid and you received an email. Now you can scroll down, return to merchant, and you're ready to book your first class.